the equity markets. The Nifty has witnessed a volatile trading session today. It opened gap down. However, intraday we saw a sharp bounce back from the lows of the day. However, it faced selling pressure once again there, and the Nifty closed with a 22-point cut in today's trading session. The market breadth was negative with 588 advances to 943 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, we had Infosys, TCS, HDFC and Tata Motors losing in trade today, while ONGC, Tata Steel, ACC and State Bank of India closed with gains today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has closed for the second consecutive day in the negative territory. It has formed a long upper shadow, which indicates that there is ample selling pressure at higher levels and every rise is being sold into, which indicates that the strategy to play Nifty should be to sell on rise. The daily momentum indicator is also having a negative crossover, which also indicates that every rise should be sold into. Today the Nifty has closed below the 20-day simple moving average. Yesterday it closed just around that, and today also it has closed below that. So we are trading around crucial levels. So that is the reason why we are witnessing some intraday volatility. Now moving on to the hourly charts, you can observe that after opening gap down, the Nifty made a sharp pullback during the day. However, that sharp pullback was sold into. It faced resistance at the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which are placed around 76-90 odd levels. So the Nifty bounced back from the lows and thereafter again faced resistance at that level. The hourly momentum indicator is also having a negative crossover, so which indicates that the momentum should continue on the downside in the coming trading sessions. Overall, sell on rise should be the strategy to play to trade in Nifty. Crucial supports are placed at 7596 and 7530. On the upside, 7690 and 7752 are crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty similarly witnessed a volatile trading session today, closing in the red, however, which indicates that the trend is firmly on the downside. Daily momentum indicator is having a negative crossover. It has also closed below the 20 and 40 daily moving averages, which indicates that it is trading below crucial supports. Now 14,900 odd levels, we have a gap area there that could act as a crucial support. Below that, Bank Nifty can drift down till 14,800 in the coming trading sessions. Crucial supports are placed at 14,900 and 14,800. On the upside, crucial resistances are placed at 15,135 and 15,200. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty remains negative. The strategy to play Nifty should be to sell on every rise. That's all for the day. Thank you.